ka danna subscribe sannan ka danna ƙararrawa domin samun shirye-shiryen da muke gabatarwa domin ku. Don haka yanzu ka saurari hirar da muka yi da wasu gagaruman barayi masu satar mutane wanda Allah ya ba ma'aikata sa'a suka yi ram da su.
Talk again. Okay. What do you do? You dey sell
Pikin.
You dey sell pikin as in how? Explain. How you dey take sell pikin?
I dey deliver am to people.
How you dey get the pikin when you dey sell?
I dey steal am.
You dey thief pikin.
Yes.
Sell am.
I sell am.
Which kind pikin? Get that picture. Which kind pikin you dey? Like how many years? What you go thief?
2 years.
2 years pikin. You go sell am give who?
One woman.
Wetin be the woman name?
Woman no tell me im name. Only im name.
Where the woman dey?
She stay for Port Harcourt.
So where you dey thief this pikin from?
Umocha.
Where Umochala dey?
Arara Junction by Umocha.
Where Arara Junction dey? Aba.
Aba.
Okay, so you go thief the pikin from Aba. Eh? Carry am go Umochala. Carry am go Umochala.
I go thief am for Umocha.
Give them to hold.
I
Hold on like this.
go.
For your chest. You hold one. You hold one.
I go thief am for Umocha.
Carry am go
Carry
where?
am go Abia Hotel.
How you dey carry the pikin? Wetin you dey tell the pikin when he go take follow you? You dey drug am?
No, I dey buy am biscuits
Mm-hmm.
or egg.
If you buy am biscuit or egg,
He go follow me.
he go follow you. Then which kind motor you dey enter comot?
If na machine I see, I dey enter. If na keke, I enter.
Nobody go stop you for road ask whether the pikin na your own,
Nobody.
and the pikin no go dey cry.
No.
Okay. So how many pikin you don thief?
Na this one, the other one wey dem carry come give me, na 2.
You don thief 2 pikin.
Yes.
You don thief 2 pikin.
Yes.
How much you sell the 2 pikin?
The woman give me that one 100,000. We share it 50,000. He give me 200 for this one, for one.
So the pikin, the pikin when you thief na boy abi na girl?
Na boy.
The 2 na boy.
Mm-hmm.
The woman say make you thief boy.
Yes.
Wetin the woman dey take the pikin do?
He tell me say they sell am for people wey no get pikin.
2 years pikin.
Yes.
Okay. You ask am how much him dey sell am?
I know ask him.
Okay. So wetin come bring you here?
Na because of the stealing of a child.
They come catch you.
Yes.
Who catch you?
Na SARS.
No be SARS. RRS.
RRS.
Come catch you. Come catch you.
Come catch me for Enugu where I dey.
For Enugu.
Yes.
Or you dey hide? Okay. So you, wetin be your name?
My name is
Chinonso Silvanus. You are the talk.
This child there is from Umodu. This man here is my uncle. He's the one that sent me to go and bring this pikin.
To go and thief this pikin.
He's the one that sent me to go and thief this pikin.
So you thief am from who?
I thief am from his.
Put am for your chest.
I put am. I thief this boy now from our mother's shop.
Okay. Wetin the mother dey do?
In the plate head.
The mother dey plait hair. You come enter inside thief the pikin. People not see you when you dey thief the pikin.
People see me.
But they no know.
People see me the time when I carry am. Because the woman know me.
Okay, the woman know you.
Yeah.
You and the woman na friend and neighbor.
Yeah.
The woman come know they suspect say you dey thief the pikin. You can't carry and do wetin?
I can't carry am. Can't give my oga.
Okay, your oga saying you may go the thief pikin.
Yeah.
Okay. So when you come thief the pikin, how much your oga give you?
He give me 50,000.
15,000.
50,000.
50,000.
Yeah.
Your oga give you 50,000. Okay, when you thief the pikin, wetin you take the 50,000 do?
I use the 50,000 and go to Owerri.
Go wrong, go with it.
And he's my word and tell me to go Owerri or go to Port Harcourt. I said that I'm going to Owerri because people have known me that place well.
Okay. So the pikin when they thief, your oga tell you wetin they use the pikin do?
He say me, my oga tell me that it's for those who don't have any child.
Okay. When them born you, then thief you. Okay. Oh wala. You get pikin.
Yes.
You get pikin.
Yes.
You sell your pikin join.
No.
Okay. No wala.
You are from which state?
Imo State.
Where in Imo State?
Mbano.
Mbano. What about you?
And you are?
I'm from Obingu.
Where in Obingwa?
Nenu.
Nenu.
What is your name?
Chinoso Sivanos.
Speak loud.
Chinoso Sivanos.
Ekeneduru.
How they take cash you? Who cash you?
It's Arres.
RRS cash you. For where they cash you?
Over.
For where? What did they do for that where they hide?
I know the hide is work. I'm working that place.
Okay.
7 months.
Okay. Oh, Allah.